to UniqueFX Makeup. It's your girl Pinky. So I got a request to do like a glam and grace look of an angel. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So right here I have this cardboard, which I want to be creating like a wings. So I want to do it like on my face, like right here, like you know, like the wings. And then over here I have some glittery that I'm thinking of putting in like on my eyebrows. And then over here I have some glitter, this special glue right here that I'm gonna be mixing it together because I want to create I want to make my eyes look like blood crying, you know, like let me show you, like something I found something that was inspired by. So here we go. You see how that eye is like that? So I want to make it bloody. So my idea is to make it bloody. I'm gonna recreate it. And then here's the wings that I found that I'm thinking of doing. Bam. So that's what I'm gonna be creating. So you're interested and curious how I do it, you already know what to do. Make sure you guys subscribe, excuse me, and go to my Rumble channel, UniqueAlienPinkyMakeup. Go check me out on Rumble. So if you here, I'm gonna be doing visual, so you're gonna be watching what I'm doing, and on Rumble you can hear and see what I'm doing. So you already know what to do. So if you wanna just see, it's on here. You wanna hear, it's on Rumble. So yeah, we're gonna get to it. I'm curious how this is gonna come out, so let's see how it comes out. Let's get it. Alright, so I already showed you guys the glue and this. I'm gonna mix it together. We have some blood, some tape. I think I might use tape, I don't know. And we have these cute little designs here, like this bling blings. And then we have white paint and gray. So let's see. And then of course this. So that's what we're gonna be using. So let's see how it comes out. I'm curious. Before anything, I'm gonna start drying my wings on this carpet. On this board right here. So, and I have a pencil. I'm gonna be drawing my wings. Let's get to it. So I finished drawing. Do not laugh before I show you guys, because I could not draw for chetos. But I could draw on my body, but I could not draw on paper. I don't know. I don't know how that works. But anyways, but this is just more practice. So don't laugh at me. You ready? Are you sure? Oh, I thought somebody was knocking. Like, what the heck? But anyways, so now that I'm drawing out with the scissors, I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna be cutting up the lines and shit. But yeah, I know what this is. I don't know what this is, but let's get to it. I'm gonna be cutting this. Oh, I went flying. So I'm gonna be cutting the lines that are my ugly lines, and just bam, bam. Bam. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, just cutting it around. Let's see how this gets, because I cannot draw. But more practice makes perfect.
No mistake.
So I'm finally done. Let me go call up my mom and see what she thinks. Ma, Ben? Oh. Yeah. Wow. Alright, she's in the shower, so she liked it. But now I'm gonna add some blood. Alright, so now I'm just gonna dump some blood in here with this brush. I'm just gonna trace it down. Just alright, so I'm gonna use this spray bottle here. Let's go. Okay, maybe not. The heck? Okay. It's okay. It won't come out. So I'm gonna put some blood in here on my brush, and I'm just gonna get that. There we go. And I'm just gonna add more. And let's go. Now some here in my neck. Here we go. Bam. And on my hands. There we go. Bam. Alright. So now here is your grace. And here is the final look. Now I'm done. So I did 2 looks. One with blood and one without blood. So here we go. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one. If you want any look for me to do, down on the comment what look I should try to do next. So this was my first time doing something like this, and it was so cool. Like I was like, first of all I could not draw, so this is the best that I could do. And then yeah, cool. So what I use, it definitely worked, and I use a little bit of tape just to stick it back here. So I use some tape in this to hold this in there. I actually liked it. Bam, this is pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna have fun taking a shower. Alright, peace out. Bam. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit the notification button and subscribe and help me grow my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Is that what I